Greetings, fellow astronomy enthusiasts. Today, we venture into the heart of the most iconic constellations in the night sky, Orion. Our celestial target, Bellatrix, also known as Gamma Orionis. This star, with its captivating history and striking characteristics, adds a touch of brilliance to the mighty hunter's shoulder. Join us as we embark on a cosmic odyssey to explore Bellatrix, a star that has inspired imaginations for generations. Bellatrix resides in the constellation Orion, often depicted as the mighty hunter with its trusty belt and sword. The name Bellatrix is derived from the Latin word for female warrior or Amazon, reflecting its prominent position on Orion's left shoulder. Bellatrix's claim to fame lies in its luminosity. It's one of the 25 brightest stars in the night sky. Bellatrix is a blue giant star radiating a dazzling blue-white light. It's approximately 8.6 times more massive than our Sun and shines with a luminosity thousands of times greater. In proximity to Earth, about 240 light-years away, makes it a prominent and easily recognizable feature in the Orion constellation. Orion, the celestial hunter, has been a central figure in the mythologies from around the world. Bellatrix, as part of Orion, has played a significant role in these ancient stories. In many cultures, Orion was seen as a symbol of strength and valor. The Bellatrix's brilliance adds to the constellation's majestic appearance. In the modern era of astronomy, Bellatrix continues to captivate observers. Advanced telescopes and scientific instruments have allowed astronomers to explore Bellatrix's properties in greater detail. Studying stars like Bellatrix provides insights into their life cycles and the intricate processes occurring within them. In conclusion, Bellatrix, Gamma Orionis, shines brightly as a celestial warrior in the Orion constellation. It reminds us of its historical significance, stunning brilliance, and the enduring allure of the night sky. The stars, including Bellatrix, are our timeless companions into the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on the celestial voyage to explore Bellatrix. If you found this video enlightening and inspiring, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cosmic adventures.